I bet that is hot. You always just make it.
Well, old PeaRoy, how you doing?
I'm doing good, Mr. Rick. How you
I'm
doing?
doing pretty good.
Good. Had a good day. You heard any good jokes?
Well, yeah, you know, this is Labor Day weekend.
That's right. Labor Day weekend.
Sure is.
Uh-huh. What?
Yeah, I've got a joke, but first, hang on a second.
Oh.
I want to do something first, all right?
Okay, something special.
All right, well, every once in a while, somebody will send in a dad joke.
You know,
and I think they're pretty good. If you look at the end of these, we have the address that you can email us, or you can just put it in the comment. You know, I'll see if I can get it on. I thought this one was pretty good. This one was by Tammy Wilson.
Tammy Wilson, we know her.
And she sent it in to OAM Garage. PeaRoy.
Okay.
And
me too.
yeah,
okay.
you.
Thank you, Tammy.
So anyway, here it is.
Oh, okay.
You gotta understand, these are dad jokes now.
Oh,
you
yeah.
Send in a dad joke.
No doubt about it.
All right. Well, this feller says, "Hey, you know what? I was thinking about cooking some alligator."
Alligator.
Yep, alligator. Well, I couldn't know because all I had was a crock pot.
A crock pot.
Hey, I thought that was pretty good. Thank you, Tammy.
Hey,
I thought that was pretty
Tammy.
good. So if you want to send one in, you do it. We'll read it for you.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Well, go ahead and tell me.
All right. Here's one. Can a kangaroo jump higher than the Empire State Building?
Can a kangaroo jump higher than the Empire State Building?
Nope. Because the Empire State Building
No.
can't jump at all.
Wait a minute. I don't think you got that right. No.
I got that wrong, didn't I?
I
Yes.
think so, Mr. Rick.
The kangaroo can jump higher than the Empire State Building.
There you go.
The Empire State Building can't jump. That's it. That's how it
That's
goes.
right. You got it
So
right
bad I
that
can't
time,
even
Mr. Rick. I know they hard, ain't they? All right, tell me now.
All right, so there's this man, and he walked into the library, and he's standing there at the counter and says, "I'd like a hamburger, please." The librarian said,
At the library?
"You're in a library." He says, "I'd like a hamburger, please." He's in a library.
I know. All right, tell me that.
And you know, last time I told one, I think about the moon, the men going to the moon. Did you know that they was gonna?
Oh yeah.
They was gonna put a restaurant up there, and they decided not to. Yeah, a restaurant.
Oh, okay.
Well, it just didn't have the atmosphere.
What now? It wouldn't have that.
That's right. No atmosphere.
Yeah. All right, give me an egg.
I don't know if it was at that restaurant or not, but you know that why did the tomato blush?
The tomato blush?
Because he saw the salad dressing. That's really bad. Why the tomato
No, that's not.
blush? Because he saw the salad dressing.
Okay.
I know, that's horrible. All right, well, you tell all your short ones then.
All right. What did the toilet say to the other toilet?
What did one toilet say to the other? I don't know.
Hey, are you flush?
You look flushed. Okay. All right, well, that's not bad. All right. Well, give me that.
I used to be addicted to showers. I got over that 5 years ago.
5 years? Oh, you were nasty. 5 years.
All right, what do they give the best dentist?
I don't know.
A little plaque.
A little plaque to go on this. Little plaque.
Yeah.
That kind of plaque don't go on the wall. I guess they could sling it off their instrument. That's cute.
I guess so.
All right. Me last one.
All right, well, what did the nose say to the finger? Quit picking on me.
That's
I know, right?
no, that's like taking the bath. Quit picking.
I know. Not good.
All right, well, let me go ahead and I'll tell my long one right now, okay?
Okay, go ahead.
All right, well, there was this, you know how people go on cruises and all that kind of stuff out in the ocean, and they go down to wherever, Alaska, I don't know, wherever they go. Anyway, there was this couple, and they was on a cruise ship, and they was cruising along there. And,
nice.
You know how the captain likes to mingle, so the captain comes by, and all of a sudden, this couple, they see way off in the distance, there's this little island, and there's this man, he's waving his hands like this.
Oh, yeah.
He's got a gray beard, and, you know, he's doing all this, and they turned around to the captain and then said, hey, Captain, look yonder at that man out there.
Oh, my goodness.
He's waving at us, and he's got a beard.
He looked a lot like you, didn't he?
Yeah, like mine. And, what do you suppose is going on? That captain looked at that couple and says, well, I tell you, to be honest with you, I don't know. You know, we've been going by here for years and years, and he does the same thing every time. I know, ain't that terrible?
I thought a captain was
all right,
you
tell yours then.
All right, well, Johnny went over to his grandpa's house. He went for a visit, you know. And his grandpa was 90 years old.
90 years old, huh?
And so he decided to cook him breakfast. So he cooked him breakfast, cooking some eggs and some bacon and grits and that kind of thing.
For him. Okay, well, that's awful nice.
Well, it was. And so, but after he was looking at his plate there, and it looked a little like it had a film on it. You know, it didn't look good. And so he says, Grandpa, are you sure that these here plates is washed good? He says,
ooh, again,
son, as good as water can get it. And he said, okay. Well, the next day, he cooked him a hamburger for dinner. And he looked at the plate, and it had a little specks of egg shells on it, and this, that, and the other. I know, right? And so he said, Grandpa, this plate here, he said, it's got a film on it, and he said, I can see little specks. He said, don't worry about it, I done told you that. He said, that's as clean as water can get it. And so he said, well, all right, Grandpa. And so John decided, he said, well, I'm gonna go on outside. And so he went to go outside. The dog was barking at him. He said, what about your dog here, Paul? He said, water, get out of the way.
Oh, no. The old dog been licking him clean. Oh, that's horrible. Ooh, man, you've been doing some nasty ones today. Oh, man.
I have, man. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to get nasty.
Woo. All right, well.
Man.
All right, well, look here. It's going to be a long weekend. So I guess,
Labor Day weekend.
I guess we'll leave it to them to do something. Don't forget now, if you want us to tell you your dad joke, write it in. All right?
Yeah. Write it in. We'll tell them. Yeah.
Y'all have a great weekend.
Yeah, y'all have a good weekend. We'll see you next week.